Okay, question 7. In the diagram, angle A is obtuse, and we need to work out the size of angle A. So we've got a triangle, and it's not a right angle triangle, so that's worth noting. We've got an angle here, an angle B, and then we've got the opposite to angle B as well, which we'll call length B. And then we've trying to work out this angle here, which we've called A. We don't know the length A, however we do know the length C, so we could work out this angle over here, which is angle C, and once we know what that angle there is, we can use that information to work out angle A. So if we label this up, so using our sine rule, I'm going to say, well, my unknown here is an angle, so I'm going to say, well, the sine of the angle C divided by 10 is going to be equal to the sine of the angle B, which we know is 35 degrees, so I can put that straight in. Let's do that. Divided by the length B, which we know is 8 centimeters. Okay, so rearranging this, I know that the sine of the angle C is equal to 10 sine 35 divided by 8, and I've just multiplied both sides of this equation by 10 to give me that there. So using my calculator now, I can say, let's work out 10 sine 35 divided by 8, so 10 sine 35 divided by 8, and that gives me 0.7169, etc. So we'll write that down. Sine C is equal to 0.716977, etc. But I'm going to keep this number in my calculator, and I'm going to say that C is going to be the inverse sine of this. So let's do the inverse sine of the last answer, and that is 45.8 degrees. Okay, so what we're saying is this angle here is 45.8 degrees. I'll label that in there. Now, I know that the angles in the triangle sum to 180, so angle A is going to be equal to 180, take away 35, take away 45.8. So again, using my calculator, I'm going to keep this answer in my calculator, so we're going to say 180, take away 35, take away 45.8, which was the last stored answer, and that gives me 99.2 degrees. Okay, and I'm just going to refer back to the question. We're being told that angle A is obtuse. Let's just check, and we have in fact got an obtuse angle. Okay, and thanks very much for joining me. I'll see you next time.